everyone, I'm Jack. Are you ready to experience the allure as we introduce our latest collection, featuring incredibly impressive and astonishing shots caught on camera? Alright, let's begin.
This video is made for educational purposes and contains essential original text commentary.
It's heartbreaking for car enthusiasts to witness this scene. The Aventador should have slowed down and the Mazda driver should not have darted out when it wasn't safe. At least it didn't end up worse. But the most important thing is that nobody was injured in this accident. Can somebody tell why he did that? Boom! A supercar in the hands of a fool always endangers other road users. Do you know how much a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ's worth?
That's it!
This is how airbags in cars work. That's really a terrible thing. Oh no, a car lost control on a windy country road in Wales. The car flew through the air and somersaulted forward. Luckily, no one was injured. This could be one of the craziest dashcam videos I've seen in a very long time. Always watch out for fools at intersections, my friend, even when the light's green. This is 100% the girl's fault, but instead of apologizing and taking responsibility, she scolded the guy. She didn't even ask if he was okay. Truly an entitled woman. How terrible. Women can be really hard to understand sometimes. She doesn't care about others' safety. Why did she do that? Can someone explain to me in the comments? Imagine you're the person moving in his lane and seeing that car flipped over and speeding off like that. That's terrible.
Oh my God!
But I really appreciate the men who stopped and helped each other, an act that warmed everyone's heart. A reckless driver pushed a sedan along the streets of the UK, only stopping when people turned around to chase after him.
Hey, what's wrong? What the f*** you doing, man? What the f*** you doing?
He argued that he did not see the car in front. What do you think? Could that be the truth? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Please comment what you think about these terrible and crazy moments. A terrible lane change by the black SUV caused a disaster. The driver was not aware of his surroundings and even cut across two lanes without signaling. A truly foolish act. A terrible driver. They should have their license revoked for that dangerous braking and swerving action. Luckily, no one was injured. I didn't think that the driver of that white car was in such a hurry. Always check and remain calm when moving through an intersection, as there are always dangers lurking that could take our lives at any moment. This really looks like a scene from a movie. Oh my god. Glad our friend's okay.
Jesus. Woo!
The car lost control on the I-95 in South Florida. Luckily, there were no collisions. But the funniest thing after all of that, he still emerged into another lane without signaling. Street racing, wild lane changes, and causing dangerous accidents. Honestly, this could be deserving of jail time, and I say that as a car enthusiast. Hope nobody got hurt. A mistake that many drivers make is stopping in the middle of the road. They really endanger their own lives and those around them. It's truly a foolish thing to do.
It's just not.
Just got in an accident. What the
Heard.
Crossing the road without looking at the consequences. I think they had a clear enough view to see the approaching truck. If it were me, I would have stopped.
Go ahead and start med units.
It's terrible not to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, and a common reaction is to swerve into the lane with oncoming traffic. What if there was a passenger vehicle heading towards that truck? Drive smartly and keep a safe distance from the vehicles in front to ensure your own safety and that of others around you. The road was slippery and the heavily loaded driver couldn't brake in time for the red light, leading to a terrible incident. That's why I always carefully observe the lanes next to me when preparing to enter an intersection. It's truly a safety measure for me and other road users. In situations like this, I just feel sorry for the innocent people who have to endure such terrible things. I hope that no one was injured. Every tragedy has its root cause. People stuck in traffic are not at fault, even those standing on the sidelines. However, these unfortunate incidents continue to happen every day on roads everywhere. So, what do you think we should do to minimize such accidents? Please share your thoughts and let's discuss. It seems like the car was driving at a high speed and skidded due to water pooling on the road. That was the driver's fault, and any vehicle can skid in water. Next time, please pay attention to your speed when it's raining, my friend. In a similar case, the car lost control and spun around on the road, ultimately crashing into a fence. Fortunately, there was no serious collision. It's a truly dreadful feeling when you're standing on the road and a vehicle behind you crashes into you. It's like a nightmare. Some fool drove a Subaru WRX STI like he was a thief. Traffic during rush hour is not the place for such reckless behavior. Just one moment of carelessness can lead to terrible consequences. But fortunately, the driver handled it correctly. I hope he'll be more careful on the roads ahead. One like and your valuable comment mean more to us than any substantial income. Please subscribe to our channel to motivate us in creating educational videos about safe driving on the road. addressing unnecessary complications, and providing entertaining content for everyone. Thank you.